Congress Master
lumabas na mas malalim pa kung ano'y anomalya. Ibinanyag sa Kamara ni Congressman Carlos Padilla na nag-broker umano sa kontrata si Noy Comelec Chairman Benjamin Abalos.
There was a man on a mission. Put the mission with the US 329 million NBN.
Will, utro, pagkatawa, Will, pagkatawa. Pagkatawa, Will.
At anak ni Noy Speaker Pastor de Venecia. Nasaksihan daw niya kung paano humingi ng pera mula sa ZDE official.
Sige, utro.
Itinawag ni Joe President Mike Arroyo. Iniwesta niya kung paano daw siya dinuro ng
baby. May dati na sa bilog.
His finger was around 2 inches. Close to 2 inches, Your Honor.
Tiyan.
And what was your expression? What do you mean by back off? He was asking to back off NBN.